Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash. I am a full-time trader by profession. I've started this channel recently where I share daily market analysis and I also bring videos like this. Okay, sorry for being not so professional. I do not have a professional setup. I'm just doing this from the comfort of my home. So sorry, I even don't get time to edit my videos also. Yeah, you won't believe. After finishing after finishing up this recording, I don't even replay the videos. I directly upload. Okay. So, anyways, without wasting any time, let's get started. So today I'll be analyzing the TRI, the Thomson Reuters Corporation. I'll not be going to the fundamentals of the company. I'll just focus on the technical analysis, very technical part. I'll be just analyzing the stock on the basis of charts only. Okay, and this video is not for day trading. This video is for those people who are mainly into investments or who have their money already invested in this particular stock. Okay, so right now I'm using this daily time frame. Okay, because we are here for the long term. Okay, we can see that the stock is trading above this 200 pair moving average, and that's a good sign. There was a struggle here due to, yeah, was the COVID-19 phase, so we won't be considering this. But overall the trend is nice. Okay, right now trading at 103. It was at 74 or 60, whatever. The stock is in uptrend in the 1 day time frame. Okay, it made a high on 2nd Feb. It made a high of 108, and right now it is correcting. It's in correction, and if it reaches this particular support level, then hopefully it will take support at the 200 period moving average, like it did here. Okay, so 200 period moving average will be acting as a support. Okay, and on the 1 day time frame we can see that apart from 108 level, one next resistance is at 115. Okay, but still, if you are planning to invest for a long term, let's say 5 years or 10 years, then this small levels won't matter. You can, yes, you can easily go ahead and buy as per the daily time frame. To have a clear picture, we need to switch to the weekly time frame. Let's switch to the weekly time frame. Okay, now see the uptrend. Okay, beautiful uptrend. Okay, so in this type of stock, you can easily go ahead and buy at any point of time. Okay, right now trading at 103, and you can, if you are planning to invest for a longer period of time, say 10 years, 15 years, or then you can buy. It's a thumbs up from my side. And but if you're looking for the area of value, okay, or the best price to invest, then it would then you need to wait for a couple of weeks. Let the price come down either to the either to this 50 moving average level, or mm, you need to wait till the price comes down to this red line or the 200 pair moving average. But I'll say that if you get this stock below 100, that's also a good price, because it will be for a longer period of time. So my final words will be that if you have this stock in your portfolio, then please stay invested, because the stock's trend is very good. And if you're planning to start a fresh position in Thomson Reuters, then you, if you have a longer plan, or if you want to go for long-term investment, then you can go ahead and buy, because small time correction like $5-10 won't matter for you. Okay. But if you're looking for a fresh position and at the right price, then you need to wait for a couple of more days or weeks, I'll say. Okay, you need to wait till the price comes down or price comes near to this red line. This red line is the 200 period moving average. Okay, then you can also buy. Otherwise, this stock is a thumbs up from my side. So that's it. Hopefully, you all have understood. Uh, Thank you so much. And if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to know more about me, you can check out my website. The link is in the description. Thank you so much.